Now you want so people can watch you. You make so people can see you, right?
Alright, my peeps, so I already went ahead. Okay, sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna make a biofilter for the aquaponics system. So I got this 5-gallon bucket for free. It already came with holes, so I just added some extra holes. Um, which I went ahead and I drilled it right here. You see all the trash. Uh, so poked a hole, a couple holes. Um, and we're gonna do layers. So I harvest this cotton for free. So what I went ahead, I removed all of this cotton from this old couch that my dad threw away. So this couch used to be my dad's. So it's been sitting out there, and today I just thought about it because I was gonna go buy some cotton. I was gonna go to 99, buy a couple of bags, maybe a or bag or two. But I was like, you know something, I could just get the cotton for free, that's what I did. So yeah, so I have a couple cotton to play with. And also what I already went ahead and I did, I rinsed my biochar. Well, I strained it, and this is like the smallest particulates. So this is strained biochar. This is rinse, wash, sand. This is small lava rock. Um, and these are also, I strained them, shift them. So they went through a screen. These are the small ones, and then these are the big ones.
Yep.
Which is going to be the top layer. So I'm going to make a biofilter. And I'm going to do it with my nephew. So I'm going to show him how to filter water, but this isn't purifying water because you still have to boil it. There's still another process to it. But as far as filtering the water, this will pretty much do most of the part. So yeah. So it's going to be the cotton in the bottom, then the biochar, then the sand, then the small gravel or lava rocks. And I prefer lava rocks because they're more porous. They have all these nicks and crannies.
And
Um,
holes too.
so that gives him more surface area. Um, and then obviously a large piece. But yeah, so and all of this I got for free. The biochar I produced it myself. The sand I got it for free, and all of this I got for free, and the buckets I got for free, literally.
Mhm.
Um, so I'm gonna set up my tripod for the first time. I got a tripod, and I'm gonna set this up. All right.
Dead. Ready, steady.
All right.
Ready, Freddy.
All right, my peeps. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fold this into a square, a perfect square as much as possible, and then lighten it up as much as possible. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is set it in the middle. Center this. Okay. That's the first layer of cotton. See how it looks? Alright.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. And then So the first ingredient is the cotton balls, and then the second ingredient is the biochar, which I'm gonna add. Okay. No, like that, Aiden. That's okay. Like that.
Oh,
Bring it a little bit
so
down.
that's how you put it down and up. Oh, those are the little fire rocks, right?
No, this is biochar.
Oh, biochar.
Homemade biochar.
Homemade biochar. So, yeah, the homemade biochar. Putting the homemade biochar in there. Just for the biochar. That's the biochar. Do you think that's how much biochar we have?
As much as we possibly can. And I rinsed it a couple of times, huh, Aiden?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's all the biochar.
Alright. There's the biochar. Okay. Now, after the biochar is the sand.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, now look. Now he's mixing it.
No, it's just
Uh,
doing it flat.
doing it
And
flat.
then after the sand is the small lava rocks.
Yeah, the small lava rocks. Here come the small lava rocks. In come the small lava rocks. Mix it together.
And then finally, we put the large lava rocks, the large
Yeah,
one,
the big
and
ones.
then the main brain.
Yeah, the large lava rocks, and then the big. Okay, got the large lava rocks. Now the big grain. Now you add a little bit of more cotton. Now you add a little bit of more cotton on the lava rocks. And look and look. Flat the lava rocks and put the cotton on the lava rocks. And flatten the cotton too as well. Then you put some lava rocks.
I'll put some more lava rocks on top.
Then you put some lava rocks on top of the cotton.
All right, my peeps. So this is the filter. So
Yeah, we're doing good.